Okay, welcome again. I think it has been a long day, but there will be only one or two presentations left and then we will wrap up. So let me tell you about the language tool and how it has been added to Collabora Online. Once again, thanks to Adfinis for this feature. It wouldn't be possible without them. So it is now integrated and it is already functional in the Collabora Online 2205. Again, not my work. Mertuma has implemented that. So I'm just presenting it for him because he couldn't make it here, unfortunately. So in general, the idea is easy, but you might be wondering why to do it in the first place, because LibreOffice already had some kind of functionality to integrate language tool for the spell checking. And that's the thing, it was doing that mostly for spell checking, but the language tool itself can have many features. And those are actually available only when you are using their web version, because they are using some new AI-based grammar checking and whatnot, and it is not in the local installations normally. So the main motivation for this was using their API. You can obtain a key for usage if you are using the pro version, or you can use even their free version. There's a very good description how to set it up in LibreOffice 7.4 directly from the language tooler. So if you want to see it in LibreOffice 7.4 and further, please have a look at this link. Of course, similarly as to DeepL, this had to have two parts. So one part of that was the user interface, so that you can set up the server so that LibreOffice can use that. And in case you have the pro version, you need to also provide the username and API key. And in Collabora Online, it's a bit easier because you set this all information in the cool WSD.xml. Similarly, both in LibreOffice and in the Collabora Online, you can see there the pointer to the privacy policy, either in the dialog or in the cool WSD.xml file, so that you can check it and decide if it is good enough for you and if you want to enable it for you or for your people. Also, additional information about the format of this is in the language tool HTML in the SDK. Regarding how it was implemented, it was reasonably straightforward because we are reusing the existing framework that is in LibreOffice for the spell checking, which by itself is already asynchronous. That was a huge advantage over what has been done for DeepL, because it didn't matter that much if we are waiting for the results or not. The API was taking care of this. So it was mostly about implementing the network communication in there, and because this work was done before the DeepL, so parts of this work has been actually then reused for the DeepL integration. One good thing that I feared a bit before Merge started to implement is that this language tool can actually provide you information if the problem that they are seeing is a spell checking error, or if it is grammar checking error, or if it is some kind of just recommendation how to spell the sentence a bit better. But luckily, even that was pre-prepared in the LibreOffice, so we were using that. Of course, there are also some unexpected problems. So we had some bigger problems with the talt rendering. For some reason, it wasn't invalidated as it was supposed to. So when you were typing, it could have happened that on the edge of the task, part of the word was underlined as a problem, and part of the word word was as okay. But luckily, Lubos has stepped in and fixed that. So it is all working now, and it is in. So how does it look like when you are using in the Collabora Online? So there is some like recommendations. So you can see like it is orange. It is not red. So you see the description, like how this is recommended, like what is the recommended thing for that. For the UI, we are again reusing like what is available in the LibreOffice, just map it to the Collabora Online. So there might be some additional like fixes or improvements on how to make it like more appealing for the user when they see some problems with the spelling or anything. But of course, it is either up to some like community contribution, or like if Adfinis is eager to improve it further, of course we will be happy to do that. So again, thanks so much to them, and this is all from me.